This will be setup of the Swtichbot Hub Mini. So again, we have our Switchbot app open right here. We're going to select the plus sign in the upper right hand corner, but we are going to search for this device. So here we go, Hub Mini. So we have to plug in the device using the included cable. I'm just going to quickly plug that in over here. So we don't have anything to actually press and it already has started blinking. So we are going to select next. Even though the Hub Mini starts blinking, there actually is a button on the top of it. So that image is actually it tilted slightly forward. So it'll be a fast blink, then you select next. And there it just wants us to pop it on our Wi-Fi, so we're gonna do that again. So I have proceeded to give it a name, location, and Wi-Fi credentials. However, the credentials are in plain text. I don't particularly care for that, but aside from that, really quick, it's done. So that's setup of the Switchbot Hub Mini.